Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instagram for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool, which you need to know to dominate Instagram marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Instagram Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is Instagram all about. What can Instagram do for your business? Shocking Instagram marketing facts to consider. Instagram walkthrough. Section 2. Marketing on Instagram, step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about set up Instagram for business, your Instagram business settings, posting and sharing, Instagram stories, Instagram advertising, and types of Instagram ads. Section 3. Advanced Instagram marketing strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about Instagram Insights, Instagram microblogging for maximum reach, shooting great marketing videos on Instagram, snapping great marketing pictures on Instagram, advanced Instagram marketing tips from the experts, using Instagram Direct for killer engagement. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Instagram marketing. I know you'll love this training. What Instagram can do for your business. So now you know what Instagram is all about. And right after, you learn some stuff you probably didn't know about the platform. Now it's time to start talking business. That is, the benefits of using Instagram for doing and promoting your business. For most marketers, doing business on Instagram is kind of a confusing endeavor. You see, doing business on Facebook, for example, is a no-brainer. So everybody knows that platform works. But an app such as Instagram, with very specific functions and a dedicated set of features, can be a bit more difficult to tap into at first. But the truth is that businesses of all sizes, from local brands to family-owned shops to large corporations, are driving results from being active on Instagram. And their secret is in knowing how to implement their business practices into the way the platform works. But their performance is also backed up by the numbers. 80% of Instagram users follow a business on the platform. Now that said, it wouldn't be profitable for those businesses to be on the platform if it weren't for their loyal followers. And an engaging business on Instagram can easily drive and spread awareness of their business activities, their brands, their products, and their services. Make potential customers get interested through visual discovery. Get new customers, which in turn will increase the desired conversions, including product sales, app downloads, website visits, and visitors to a local store, among others. Instagram's own built-in features will allow you to reach those milestones the easy way, as long as you put in the effort. Because Instagram has also been designed with business in mind, allowing them to create an Instagram business account, which allows companies of all sizes to be recognized with a unique business profile, to gain insight about their followers, to promote posts designed to drive business goals, and giving visitors to your profile the right info such as your business address and contact details, all within Instagram. Send full screen adverts to Instagram Stories, which is a friendlier approach to advertising compared to what other social platforms offer. Use business tools to get deep marketing insights, including reach, number of impressions, replies, and exits for each individual campaign. More so, the visual nature of Instagram combined with a story-driven advertising model means that you will be offering an experience that far surpasses the flat and personal feeling of marketing campaigns created on other platforms. Instagram has many other benefits for businesses that are too often overlooked by marketers that focus their conversation on advertising. And in this training, You will become aware that Instagram is as diverse can get. For starters, you can repurpose your Instagram photos on your business website to create cross-platform engagement. And if your business has a physical location, you can bet that customers have uploaded pictures of it on the platform. Even if you don't have a physical location and only offer your products online, customers have probably uploaded pictures of them as well. There's a lot more to say about Instagram, so follow us to the next video for some shocking Instagram marketing facts that you should know.